Story time. So when I was in year 4 at school, I was starting to realize that I hadn't had a crush on a boy like all my other friends did, so I went on a love matcher thing, you know the ones I mean, and matched myself with all the boys in my class until I found that this boy, let's call him Leon, and me had a 95% chance of getting together. So I convinced myself that I liked him and started writing love letters and all that crap, and then I asked my friend to ask him to meet me outside the school courtyard. So I asked if he wanted to go to this end of year disco with me, and he just walked off. And then he got all his shitty friends to follow me around and yell at me, so I ended up going inside to the toilet and throwing up in my mouth. Then I just hid for the rest of the day. Lil me, you were gay.